Are you thinking about installing a roll-up garage door but unsure about the cost? In this video, we'll break down what you need to know when budgeting for a roll-up garage door. The type of material you choose will greatly affect the price. Steel roll-up garage doors are durable and secure but come at a higher cost compared to aluminum options, which are lighter and more affordable. Additionally, insulated roll-up doors are more expensive but provide long-term savings through energy efficiency. The size of the garage door is another factor. Larger commercial roll-up garage doors will naturally cost more than smaller residential ones. Customization options, such as automatic openers or unique finishes, can also raise the price. Installation costs vary depending on the complexity of the setup and the location, so it's important to account for that when planning your budget. Don't forget about maintenance costs either. Roll-up garage doors are generally low maintenance, but periodic repairs or tune-ups may be required. In the end, your investment in a roll-up garage door depends on the material's size and any added features that meet your needs and budget.